Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is the immortal hero of all Indians. Subhas Chandra's role is very important in the history of India's freedom struggle. He united all the people of the country regardless of religion and caste and strengthened national unity. He created an amazing inspiration of love and loyalty among the soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj. India would not have been independent if Netaji had not spread the consciousness of every Indian independent. Netaji wanted blood for independence. Netaji is the name of courage, spirit and freedom in every heart of Indians. Netaji means a dream, making the country independent. Netaji means nationalizing and one who loves the country. Netaji means fighting for freedom. Netaji means one who does not die. There is only birthday. I want you once again in the land of India to struggle and create a golden India. On your birthday, I salute you heartily. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.